Hey guys, check out this 2021 Ram 1500 TRX. Presented you from Real Deal Auto. It's a rebuilt title. It says fire damage. This was damaged before it was even brand new, so it never got registered. Sold it to a friend in 22. He's put 50,000 miles on it since then. It's all wrapped in a matte white, so no accidents on it. Roll bar, full leather, all weather floor mats. This, of course, this is the 700 plus horsepower TRX. Heated, cooled seats, 54, 142 on the miles. All your different modes here. Launch mode. Navigation. Backup camera. .360 camera. All your parking sensors, wireless phone charging, key, remote start. Let's see, VIN number there. 702 horsepower is what they're claiming. Power sliding rear glass. No sunroof on this one. There's your conductor again. So it has rear heated and cooled seats. In the wrap there. Shocks. Sound system there. Sick looking truck here, guys. Check out all our inventory at